Welcome to Helsinki! Behind me is the Helsinki Cathedral. It's one of the main cathedrals here.
Situated in Senate Square, Helsinki Cathedral was built once Helsinki was designated as the capital of Finland. Also known as St. Nicholas Church, this was meant to honor Russian Tsar Nicholas I, who was also the Grand Duke of Finland. Today, this is one of the most popular landmarks in the country. While you're admiring the Helsinki Cathedral, turn around and take in the grandiosity of Senate Square, a plaza symbolizing the political, spiritual, and the financial center of Finland. It is enveloped by the cathedral, University of Helsinki, the government palace, and the oldest building in Helsinki, the Söderholm House.
You guys, this is so cool. There are 2 installations here. It belongs in the national park.
Made with over 600 hollow steel pipes welded into a sound wave form, the Sibelius Monument was meant to capture the music of Finnish composer Sibelius, who rose to fame for helping Finland define its national identity as it was fighting for its independence from Russia.
You guys, this is the coolest church I've ever seen.
Probably one of the most beautiful and unique churches I've ever seen in my entire life. Temple Liaokio Church, or the Rock Church, was excavated and built out of an actual rock with natural skylight directly illuminating the interior church through its copper dome. Due to its natural habitat, this Lutheran church is an ideal venue for acoustic music concerts. Inside the glass house of Kapeli is a 150-year history as an artistic meeting place for poets and musicians. Today, it remains as one of the central and sophisticated hotspots in the city for fabulous afternoon tea or tasty dinner. Of course, I got to try a bit of raw reindeer here. It was a gamey plate of Christmas, to say the least.
We're at Robert's Coffee, and it's super cool because it's a family-run coffee shop. The decor inside is really pretty and old school.
Right across the street from Kapeli is the delightful Robert's Coffee, started by the Finnish coffee connoisseur Robert Paulig. He was Helsinki's very first micro coffee roaster back in 1987. Since his family has been running and expanding the business for 6 generations, a rest stop at this cafe is a lovely treat from Finland's harsh winter. The main Eastern Orthodox Cathedral in Helsinki is also the largest Orthodox church in Western Europe. The Uspinski Cathedral sits on a hillside overlooking the city. Designed by the Russian architect Alexei Gornostayev, this cathedral was meant to exemplify Russia's influence and power in Finnish history with its golden cupolas and red brick exterior.
There you have it. This is 12 hours in Helsinki. It's been swell. We'll see you in Lapland.